The weekend, President Biden was diagnosed with an aggressive form of prostate cancer. Doctors say it has spread to his bones as well. Medical experts say once cancer has spread to the bones, it is no longer curable, but it is treatable. Former President Biden made advancing cancer research and treatments a key goal of his presidency. Now he will need every resource to fight the disease himself.
Well, staying ahead of prostate cancer is a message Utah men need to hear.
Right now, Utah men have one of the highest death rates for prostate cancer in the country. News specialist Brian Carlson is looking into this for us. He joins us live from the Huntsman Cancer Institute. Brian, tell us why these numbers are so high in Utah.
Well, Sharon Tam, we're talking with a specialist here at the Huntsman Cancer Institute. There's a number of factors that go into why Utah is higher. Let me break down the numbers here for you. According to the Huntsman Cancer Institute, 1 in 8 Utah men will be diagnosed with prostate cancer in their lifetime, with roughly 2,000 to 3,000 new men diagnosed every year. Now, compared to other states, that's about average. It ranks 21st in the country. But when it comes to prostate cancer deaths, Utah is well above average. 1 in 40 Utah men die from the disease, and that puts Utah at number 4 in the country for prostate cancer deaths. Part of the problem is Utah men not getting screened as early as they should.
It's not that they're not offered effective treatments, it's that they're commonly diagnosed with more advanced stages of prostate cancer because they're likely not getting screened as early as they should be.
Now, other reasons for that could be Utahns' access to care, especially in rural towns with older populations who live farther away from where they can get treatment. Now, it's part of the reason then Vice President Biden visited the Huntsman Cancer Institute back in 2016 to unite researchers to eliminate cancer. So what's the solution? Well, the specialist I spoke with said today that men need to be screened for prostate cancer starting at age 50. Now, if you have a family history of prostate cancer, you probably want to start those discussions even earlier than that. But that's the general age. You need to start talking with your doctor about getting it done. You can even do a simple blood test now. Now, if you have questions about prostate cancer screenings, how it works, we have a link up on our website at ksltv.com. Live from the Huntsman Cancer Institute, Brian Carlson, KSL 5 News. Back to you.
Yeah, it's a very important message. I remember the vice president visiting and covering that at the time, but certainly that message echoes after his diagnosis here today. All right, Brian, thank you for that report.
Utah Governor Spencer Cox was among many leaders quickly reacting to the president's diagnosis. He posted to social media writing, quote, "Cancer sucks. My family and I will be joining Americans everywhere in praying for President Biden's continued health and recovery." Senator John Curtis also posting to social media, sending his well wishes to the former president, saying in part, "This is a difficult diagnosis for anyone, and I join many Americans in hoping for healing and peace in the days ahead."